Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to send money internationally with PayPal Xoom. First, understand that Xoom is a specialized service from PayPal, built specifically for fast and reliable international money transfers. It allows you to send funds to over 160 countries, offering various delivery options for your recipients. You can conveniently fund these transfers using your existing PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a credit or debit card, making the process straightforward and integrated. To send money, begin by logging into your Xoom account or create one easily using your PayPal credentials. Next, select the country where your recipient is located and choose how they will receive the money. Options often include bank deposit, cash pickup at thousands of locations, or even home delivery in some areas. Enter the exact amount you want to send and carefully provide all recipient details. Finally, select your payment method and review all transaction specifics before confirming your transfer. Understanding fees and exchange rates is crucial. Xoom's transfer fees can vary, depending on factors like the amount you're sending, the destination country, and your chosen payment method. Importantly, Xoom provides transparent exchange rates upfront, allowing you to see exactly how much your recipient will receive before you commit. Always compare the displayed exchange rate and total fees to ensure you are getting the most favorable terms for your international money transfer, maximizing the value for your recipient. Xoom offers several key benefits, including speed and convenience. Many transfers are completed within minutes or a few hours, and you can track your money's journey in real time via the Xoom website or mobile app. For security, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your account. Crucially, double-check all recipient details, including names and account numbers, before confirming any transfer to avoid delays or sending money to the wrong person. This ensures a smooth and secure experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.